Here we've got DORO 8035, and let me show you how to activate unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to locate and open the settings. Here they are. Then scroll down, find and select security, and then go to unknown sources under device administration. Here it is. Smoothly by tapping on this switcher, you can allow installation of apps from unknown sources. Then just tap on OK to confirm that you are taking all the risk on yourself. And that's it. You've just activated installation of apps from unknown sources, and it can be easily done. Then, whenever you would like to switch off this function, just tap on the same switcher, and now it's no longer active. So that would be all. This is how you can activate the installation of apps from unknown sources in your DORO. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.